Hello and welcome to exclusive coverage of the Agarwada Chopde Premier League. The final of this tournament will be played in short while from now. The champion will be decided. This final will be played between the two teams. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Sports Club from Chopde. They will be up against the Velankani FC. Now joining me now is our guest commentator for the first time in the commentary mood. Amol Raut. Amol? ग्रेट ॲटमॉस्फिअर कशा
बरें आसा
हां
सद्या बरें दोनूय टीम पावरफूल आपले परफॉर्मन्स दाखोवपाक सगळे तयार आसात
हां
आणि आता वॉर्मअप चालू आसा तेंची
हां
आणि बरें म्हणजे दोन
अमे तू सॉरी अमोल तू हो टुर्नामेंट फॉलोअप केला तुवें चडशी मॅचीस पळयल्या म्हणजे ओवरऑल म्हणजे कशें कितें आसलें हांगा तुजे
प्लेयर्स म्हणजे फर्स्ट टायम हे ACPL जाला आगरवाडा चोपडे जे भुरगे आसले सो तांकां चान्स ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळनासली म्हणजे तांकां खेळपाक पूण ह्या हितून ACPLान तांकां खेळपाक चान्स मेळ्ळो आणि चडशे आमकां न्यू प्लेयर आमकां फायंड आवट जाले
ओके आज आमी दोन्ही टिमीचो जर कंपेर केलं जाल्यार वीच टीम यू फील इज द स्ट्रॉंगर टीम टुडे
स्ट्रॉंगर
चान्सीस जिखपाक कोणाक चड आसा
दोगांकूय आसा कित्याक वेलांकनी जो म्हणजे चड 20 वर्सां पयलींचो हो क्लब वेलांकनी आणि जस्ट आतां पेडण्यात म्हटल्यार जाता की पेडण्या तालुक्यान भीमराव ही सद्या परफॉर्मन्स बरो आहा तेजो
सो भीमराव परफॉर्मन्स बरो असल्या कारणान आय थिंक दे मे नॉट बी फेवरेट टुडे
येस
लिटल बीट अहेड
येस
ओके आणि वेलंकनी आर दी न्यू टीम और इट इज ओल्ड टीम
इट इज अ ओल्ड टीम बट
less experience as far as winning trophies are concerned.
yes
Okay, Velankani Sports Club is a old team, but they have very low experience of winning trophies. But they are surely fancy their chances of winning this trophy today. You cannot, as far as the Bhimrao Sports Club concerned, as Amol just now said, it's a hot favorite to win this match. But we will be waiting for an interesting final match. Entire match will be covered on JS Network TV channel in Hindi, English, and first time opening commentary. So keep watching. Final of this tournament, Agarwada Chopde Premier League, coming to directly from Chopde, Agarwada. So everything is all set. Here we go. The start of the final of this tournament. It's the Velankani FC playing in black jersey are up against the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Sports Club playing in sky blue jersey.
सचिन परब हाच्या पावलांचा स्वागत करतात आगरवाडा चौपदेच्या सचिन परब हाच्या विरायचा त्यांचे स्वागत करतात
Playing conditions 20 minutes each half, and in case there is no result after two halves, the championship will be decided on penalty shootout.
सूरज गावकर प्लेइंग क्रिस्टीन चोपडेकर प्लेइंग ओंकार चोपडेकर सबस्टिट्यूट प्रथमेश गावकर सबस्टिट्यूट लिगू डिसूजा प्रकाश नाईक सबस्टिट्यूट आनंद दमाजी सबस्टिट्यूट कैप्टन माल्कम मास्कारेनस टीम कोच फ्रांसिस फर्नांडिस टीम मैनेजर जोसेफ फर्नांडिस टीम फिजियो शेरल रॉड्रिगेज टीम ओनर जॉन रॉड्रिगेज
Now throw in now to the now straight away into the action now. Jay Chopdekar now there, losing possession now, well cleared. What an entertaining evening here expected. Throw in now. Pushing from behind. Amol Raut is joining me in the commentary box. As we have promised earlier, this match will be telecasted in हिंदी इंग्लिश अँड कोंकणी कॉमेंट्री. अमोल ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळ्ळ्या फ्री किक.
ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळिल्ली आसा आनी दोनूय टिमी सारखे एकामेकाचेर हावी जाल्ले आसात आनी आतां हो फर्स्ट एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळिल्ली आसा भीमराव आंबेडकर हांकां. आतां पळयात आतां किक घेतल्या जयेश कॅप्टन.
Okay, this is a free kick now to the Bhimrao Sports Club. Totally off the target. "25 minutes encounter. 25 मिनटाची मॅच, 25 मिनटाचे 2 हाफ मिळून 50 मिनटां. आणि जर 50 मिनटांत गोल जावंक ना जाल्यार the match will be decided on penalty shootout. अमोलान मॅच प्रिव्यून म्हटलं की डॉक्टर भीमराव आंबेडकर स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाची टीम फेवरेट आसा. अमोल
येस, भीमराव सारखी आतां पॉप्युलर आसा पेडणे तालुक्यान म्हणा की पॉप्युलर आसा जाल्ली आसा आनी खुबशे तांच्यानी टोर्नामेंटां जिखलेली आसा.
दिस इज नाव at the top of the box, cleared very well. Very well cleared. Coming to the box now, straight to the goalkeeper. अमोल आनीकूय प्रेक्षक येवपाचे आहा न्हू, म्हणजे आतां पळयल्यार आमी जाल्यार
हय भरपूरशे प्रेक्षक म्हणजे आतां निकतोच स्टार्ट जाले आनी लोकांचे हे आसा की म्हणजे लेट जाले काय आणखी हाफ टायमाच्या उपरांत आणखी गर्दी वाडटा.
Okay, so we are expecting more and more crowd here.
येस डेफिनेटली.
Now, as you're watching, it's still 0-0 here in Agarwada. It's the Bhimrao Ambedkar Sports Club. This is now a throw into the Velankani FC. Into the box, cleared. Match referee Dharma Chodankar, they are officiating in this match. Very experienced referee. There is. He's from Sivalayim. We have seen him in various tournament matches, finals. Tall man. This is now goal kick. Throw into the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Sports Club. This is Amit Bagli now with a responsibility. Can it deliver here? Throw in now. Good work by the goalkeeper. Truptesh Atsopdekar, the goalkeeper there. Now, good cross but well intercepted. Goes for a corner. First corner of the match. Shavin D'Souza with the opportunity of taking corner. Inside the box, cleared. Still holding possession. Long distance effort, good work, but Amol, offside rule asangar.
ना ऑफसाइड ना हांगा सर.
So no offside rule applicable here as informed by Amol. This tournament is being played under modified rules considering the situation. Small ground, good effort, goes just by deflected and gets a corner. Another corner to Velankani FC. Shavin D'Souza is it? No, I don't think he will. It's just number 7. Yes, Shavin D'Souza will take a corner. Second corner in space of just 2 minutes. Beating everybody there, going for throw in. अगरवाड़ा के सरकारी हाई स्कूल मैदान से अगरवाड़ा चोपड़े प्रीमियर लीग का ये फाइनल मैच आप देख रहे हैं जयेश नेटवर्क टीवी चैनल पर. मैं जयेश नायक, मेरे साथ कोकणी कॉमेंट्री के साथ अमोल राऊत. अमोल, जर ग्राउंडाचे कंडिशन पळयले हे जे थोडे हांगाची एरिया आसा ही थोडी वेट आसा, बाकी सगळी एरिया इट इज टोटली ड्राय.
हय
So you must be very happy with the playing condition.
मग हांगासर कितें आसा पावसानूच हे मातशें आतां 2 दिसां पयलीं पावस लागलो ताका लागून मातसो ग्रावंड ओलो जालो नाजाल्यार सो लास्ट मॅची पयल्या सेमी फायनली पयल्या तेन्ना ग्रावंड सारको बरो वेट जातलो.
So the playing conditions are really good here in Agarwada. Goal kick to the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Sports Club. Now this is free kick. This is jersey number 18. Who will take that free kick? Jersey number 18. So, Jayesh Chopdekar. Is it 18 or is it 10? This is now free kick. Will he convert straight into the just beating there, just going over the top of the bar. Great effort from Jayesh Chopdekar. Amol, great effort.
ग्रेट सो बरो किक आसलो जयसान एक गोल करपाची एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी घेतलेली पण बाय मातसो पोला वयल्यान गेलो ताका लागून मातसो चुकलो.
That was a powerful kick from Jayesh Chopdekar. Now did they get a corner here? Yes. I think it has touched the hands of the goalkeeper. Now Bhimrao Sports Club. This is corner to the Bhimrao Sports Club. Can they convert it here? Take a lead early on. This is now into the box cleared. Jason biting once again. Jayesh Chopdekar, but it's off the target. He's continuously in picture now. He's leaving so dangerously. He's all set to score a goal here. He may see any time.
स्कुलाच्या फुडल्यान आहा ते मातशे मागता 1 मीटर तुम्ही बाहेर रावचे प्लीज.
This is Jayesh Chopdekar. Have a look at him. He's really having a best game so far, whatever we have seen.
लाइटमेनाक प्रॉब्लेम जाता. हांव टीम ओनर बाब नरेश चोपडेकराक विनंती करता तेणी सपोर्टरांक सांगचें.
This is it's almost 11 minutes into the first half. It's still a 0-0. Dr. Bhimrao Sports Club has been the strongest team, as Amol said earlier, and they are now, the way they are playing, it looks like they are much better team as compared to both the teams. Although we might see a Velankani FC coming back here. भीमराव स्पोर्ट्स क्लब की टीम लगातार आक्रमण. अभी इसी वक्त वेलंकनी एफसी आक्रमण की प्रयास में, लेकिन वहां पर बॉल पर नियंत्रण खोते हुए. और फिर एक बार जर्सी नंबर 3 लेफ्ट फुटर, और यहां पर कॉर्नर मिलता हुआ. जर्सी नंबर 3 सुमित चोपड़ेकर, युवा खिलाड़ी. लुक्स लाइक इज अ स्कूल किड.
आणि सुमित चोपडेकर हो 2 फावटी ताका स्टार ऑफ द मॅच ह्या टोर्नामेंटाक मेळ्ळो आनी बरो हेतून शायनींग ह्या टोर्नामेंटाक शायनींग प्लेयर जावन येयल्लो आसा.
Okay, he's a very young, so bright future for him, Amol.
Yes.
Okay, Sumit Chopdekar, we'll keep an eye on him because he has received star of the match twice. Good header, but just goes over the bar. That was great efforts. That's Gaurav Khavkar, jersey number 11. What an atmosphere. You can hear the shouting from the spectators. They have come here in large numbers. Now Jayesh Chopdekar, this time it's a poor effort, but straight to the goalkeeper. This is now goal kick. क्या बढ़िया माहौल यहाँ पर। और आप इस मैच को जयेश नेटवर्क टीवी चैनल पर देखते हुए थ्रो इन मिलता हुआ वेलंकनी एफसी के लिए। और यहाँ पर गोल किक। अमोल आणि खंयचो प्लेयर असो यंगस्टर हू इज प्लेइंग इन दिस मैच आणि जेका यू विल बी कीप एन आई ऑन हिम? दैट सुमित वन सेकंड इज इट? यस, लेफ्ट फुटर देयर.
येस, सुमित आणि तसोच वालांकानी मालकम म्हणून जसे नंबर 3 एज अ कॅप्टन. सो तो सुद्धा बरो आसा. तेचो म्हणजे हायस्ट स्कोरर सुद्धा आसा टुर्नामेंटाचो.
Okay, Sumit, what we have seen now, just now, I'm really impressed after watching him now. Jayesh Chopdekar once again, left footer, hits the pole. Once again, Jayesh Chopdekar, he cannot believe his bad luck, but they gets a corner. We'll have to wait and see. Yes, Jayesh Chopdekar cannot believe his bad luck, but he's trying hard. Jason Maitin, he gets a corner now. Into the box. Once again, goalkeeper coming into the rescue. You can hear the cheers from the spectators cheering their team. अमोल, दोन्ही टिमी आमी पळयता, खंयच्या टिमीचे स्पेक्टेटर सपोर्टर्स चड आसा? इज इट द भीमराव स्पोर्ट्स क्लब और वेलंकनी एफसी?
सो भीमरावचे हांगासर आमकां दिसता की जर्सी वेअर केल्ले आसा पळय. सो चडशे आमकां दिसता हांगासर भीमरावाचे सपोर्टर चड दिसता. सो वेलंकनी सुद्धा आसा, पूण ते कळना, म्हणजे मिक्स सपोर्टर आसल्यान आमकां दिसता. दोनूय टिमीचे आय थिंक दोनूय टिमीचे दोगूय 50-50 अशें आसता.
Okay, this is throwing now. Now have a look at this youngster. Let's see. This is the boy from the blue jersey. Jersey number
3.
Yes,
जर्सी नंबर 3 सुमित चोपडेकर.
Sumit Chopdekar.
And also this Valankani jersey number 3. Malcolm also is a good player.
Okay, Malcolm Maskaran, this is a young boy. What maybe his age? किती वय असतले याचे? Maybe around 15.
No, it's around 20 below. So म्हणजे सुमित सुद्धा is below 15.
Okay, this is well cleared. Are they getting a corner? Yes. Now, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Sports Club gets a corner. Jayesh Chopdekar with the responsibility of a corner. What will be the outcome of this corner? Once again, goalkeeper in action. Velankani FC goalkeeper Truptesh Chopdekar has really done a great work as of now. He has been continuously being tested by Jayesh Chopdekar and his colleagues. Once again, powerful hit but well intercepted. Now this goes to the goalkeeper. अगर हम देखें तो जयेश चोपड़ेकर काफ़ी आक्रामक खेल करते हैं, उनके साथी उनको मदद कर रहे हैं और बॉल इज हिटिंग द गोलकीपर. इनफैक्ट द रेफरी, दैट्स अ रेयर सीन व्हाट वी ऑब्जर्व हियर. देयर इज धर्मा चोपड़ेकर, सॉरी धर्मा चोडणकर. इनफैक्ट इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 17 minutes पास. इट्स स्टील अनिल नील. अमोल 17 मिनटां झाली, एकूय गोल जावंक ना अजून.
म्हणजे अशें कळटा की दोनूय टीम पॉवरफुल आसा.
तरी पूण जस्ट वी वॉच हियर नाव जर्सी नंबर 3 देयर. Malcolm it is. Yes, good work. Now can they try long distance? Amol, even जर स्कोर जरी नील असलो जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता डॉक्टर भीमराव आंबेडकर हॅज प्लेड मच बेटर.
येस येस येस. एकेच सायडीन मॅच जाता. आतां वेलंकनी मातशी कमी दिसता आयज आमकां. ती सेमी फायनलीक सुद्दां बरी खेळली ती, पूण आयज कमी मातशें तेंचो हें आसा. सो मे बी सेकंड हाफ ते आपलो हे गेम करतली काय दिसता.
That jersey number 4 from the Velankani FC. It's Lawrence Rodriguez. I think most of these teams they are really young players. They are school kids playing here. Young blood.
या यंग ब्लड सो ऑर्गनायझर म्हणजे तांचो एमूच आसा की जे पॅन्डेमीक हितून 2 वर्सां जे भुरगे भितर रावले सो ओन्ली फॉर मोबायल अँड टी व्ही
Okay, fine. This is now throwing. Hold on, Amol. This is throwing to the Dr. Bhimrao. Yes, Choprekar once again in action now. Now, good effort once again. This was close. Just could not keep control on that. There is a youngster there. This number 2. Havesh Choprekar. I'm really impressed with the way these kids are playing this little youngsters are playing. Have a look at this boy, this player now. They are all impressed here. They are very quick. They keep control on the ball. This is now straight to the goalkeeper's end. This is the 19th minute in progress. Still 0-0 here.
भीमरावचो प्रदीप चोपडेकर हो बरो प्लेयर त्यांचो इंजर्ड आसा सो त्यांची टीम तांकां प्लेयराचो कमी पडला
But even then, they are playing much better.
येस
There is Jayesh Choprekar. And have a look at the crowd here watching this match. They're cheering their team, shouting. That's a foul. पच्चीस मिनट का हाफ और फिलहाल ये 21वां मिनट चलता हुआ इसके बाद और 4 मिनट बाकी और लेकिन अभी तक किसी भी टीम को गोल करने में सफलता नहीं। हालांकि डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर की टीम काफ़ी आक्रामक खेल करती हुई throw into the Wellington FC. Cleared. Throw into Wellington FC now. No one could take advantage of it. There's Amit Bagli playing in this match. I'm also impressed with the way Truptesh Gadekar has shown his performance as a goalkeeper. There he is. Now it's into the box now. Amol, a LAN ground and a quick football.
हय ल्हान ग्रावंड म्हणजे हातून एक मजा येता सेवन सायड असल्या कारणान भुरग्यांक मातशें प्ले करपाक ना जाल्यार व्हडलो ग्रावंड आहा जाल्यार चड धांवचें पडटा ताका लागून भुरग्यांक मातसो हो धाकटो ग्रावंड म्हाज्या हिसपान बरो आसा
So it is entertaining play so far as of now. What you observed, this is throw in now.
इंटरवला हावजी आसतले हावजीचो प्रायस 2000 रुपया हावज 20 रुपयांक एक 50 रुपयांक 3 आसतले
This is now throw in now. Wellington FC left footer goes too far away from off the target, but well tried from that youngster. Is it
मालकम
Malcolm? Yes. There he is. If you look at these youngsters playing here, I think there is a bright future for football in this village. With just 2 minutes left for the end of the first half, can we expect the goals being scored here? Can any team take a lead? Now this is Malcolm, is it? That's throw into the This is now Velankani FC now with a throw in. Long distance effort. ये लड़के तो बहुत ही बढ़िया खेल करते हुए लंबे अंतर से प्रयास करते हुए, हालांकि बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रयास था वहां पर। इसी बीच और एक बार मौका जरूर बनता हुआ यहाँ पर। ये देखिए लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस एफर्ट ट्राई करेंगे, देखना पड़ेगा, लेकिन वहाँ पर बॉल पर नियंत्रण खोते हुए फिर एक बार स्टिल होल्डिंग पोजीशन, नाउ लूजिंग नाउ दिस जयेश चोपड़ेकर नाउ दैट शुड बी फाउल, नो रेफरी सेज गो अहेड, नाउ स्टिल होल्डिंग, स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग, Sumit Chopdekar once again in action. This is now corner to Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Sports Club. Jayesh Chopdekar will take the corner. No, decided
Aditya Bagli will take the corner.
Aditya Bagli with a corner now at the stroke of the first half. Can Bhimrao Ambedkar Sports Club take a lead here?
Sumit, trying.
Straight to the goalkeeper. Truptesh.
हांगासर क्राउडान पळोवंक शकता तुम्ही की लेडीज सुद्दां हांगासर क्राउडान बसल्यात जो
Yes, they are enjoying this match. I've seen them. They were here on time, well before the start of the match.
Yes.
That speaks about the excitement about this final match. This is now into the box. Lucky there goes over the bar. Now Velankani FC. Now they are also saying that we are not far behind. They are pulled back to some extent. Amol, 55%
Yes, it's a 50%.
That goes the end of whistle. It's end of the first half. It's 0-0 here in Agarwada.
You are watching Jayesh Network.